everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're switching things up a bit with a product that might surprise some of you, an electric razor designed for men. But trust me, it's one you're going to want to hear about, whether you're buying it for yourself or a loved one. We're diving into the Braun Electric Razor, Series 9 9390cc, which is packed with some serious tech and features. It's a waterproof foil shaver with a pop-up beard trimmer, all designed for wet and dry shaving. And the best part? It comes with a SmartCare Center for easy cleaning and charging. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So let's get into the basics of the Braun Series 9 9390cc. This shaver uses Braun's SyncroSonic Technology, delivering an impressive 10,000 sonic vibrations per minute. What does that mean for you? It means the shaver glides smoothly over the skin for a gentler and more comfortable shave. No more irritation from harsh blades. It's designed to adapt to your skin's needs. Along with this, the protective skin guard helps smooth the skin while ensuring the shave stays gentle. Now let's talk about precision. This razor comes with a pop-up beard trimmer. If you've ever struggled with getting those sideburns just right or perfecting that mustache, you're going to appreciate how easy this trimmer makes it. It's small but accurate, allowing you to touch up any area without much effort. The real magic happens with Braun's OptiFoil technology. This foil captures more hair in one stroke than other razors on the market. And with the 10D Flex head, it flexes to every contour of your face. Whether you've got a sharp jawline or those tricky spots around your chin, this shaver really adapts to your facial structure. Plus, with the titanium-coated trimmer, you get durability and ultimate closeness. Let's talk about performance during real-life use. I've been using this razor for a while now, both in the shower and for dry shaving, and I have to say, the performance is consistent. The smooth glide is evident from the first use, and the shaving process itself is super quick. I didn't feel any tugging or discomfort, which can happen with other razors that are not designed as carefully. In fact, it gives a remarkably close shave that feels clean without irritation, even on sensitive areas like the neck. A unique feature I've noticed is the AutoSense Technology. It reads your beard density and adjusts the power accordingly. So if you're having a tough time with a thicker patch of hair, the razor automatically knows to amp up the power. It's like having a personal barber who tailors the shave to you. As for the battery life, it's impressive. It charges fully in about an hour, giving you up to 60 minutes of shaving time. If you're in a rush, the 5-minute quick charge feature gives you enough juice for one quick shave. For me, this has been more than enough for several days of shaving without having to plug it in constantly. In terms of build quality, the Braun Series 9 9390cc feels solid and well-made, as you'd expect from a German-engineered product. The SmartCare Center that comes with it is a nice touch. It not only charges the razor, but also cleans it after use, which is convenient and hygienic. Plus, the leather travel case is sleek, adding a nice touch of luxury and protection for when you're on the go. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's a premium product. Is it worth the price? Absolutely, if you value technology, precision, and durability in your shaving routine. For the convenience of having a multi-function razor with a pop-up trimmer, self-cleaning base, and long-lasting battery, it's hard to find a competitor that checks all these boxes at this level of quality. However, if you're just looking for a basic shaver without these bells and whistles, there are more affordable options out there. I did find a few alternatives that might suit different budgets. For those of you who aren't ready to splurge, but still want good performance, the Philips Norelco One Blade is a solid option. It's a little different in terms of design, but it's effective for facial hair grooming and generally more budget-friendly. Now let's wrap this up. The Braun Series 9 9390cc is a top-tier product that brings precision, comfort, and cutting-edge technology to the shaving game. If you're someone who values quality and wants a clean, irritation-free shave, I definitely recommend it. The AutoSense technology, precision trimmer, and overall comfort make it stand out, but it's definitely a premium investment. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all our honest reviews here on Beautyistic. If you've used this razor, Drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.